This video will illustrate how you can apply using the distance formula to figure out various ideas about geometric objects, in this case a triangle. Now, suppose that the coordinates of the three vertices of a triangle are given. Point A is located at -6, 7. Point B is located at -1, -5, and point C is located at point 4, 7. Now, one thing you could always do, just to get a sense of what's going on, is make a quick, and it doesn't have to be very accurate or precise, sketch of the 3 points in the triangle. So -6, 7 would be somewhere over here, point A. -1, -5 would be in the third quadrant, down here, point B. And point C, 4, 7, would be somewhere over here. So the three lengths of the triangle, whoops, let me include point C there. The three lengths of the triangle are going to be the length from point A to point C, point A to point B, and from point B to point C. Now, because this drawing is not accurate, you can't really tell whether these three lengths are going to be equal or not. That's the job for the distance formula. Now, let's recall that the distance formula is equal to D equal square root x coordinate of point number 2 minus x coordinate of point number 1 squared plus parentheses y coordinate of point number 2 minus y coordinate of point number 1 squared. And now let's apply this to the distance from point A to point B. We're examining this length right here by using the distance formula. So point number 2 being point B, let's take its x coordinate, -1, subtract the x coordinate of point A, -6 squared, plus the y coordinate of point B, -5, minus the y coordinate of point A, 7 squared, equals, now I'm kind of going to skim through here pretty quickly. That's going to be 5 squared, which is 25, and -12 squared, which is going to be 144. So this is going to be root 169, which is 13. So we now know that the distance from A to B is 13. Let's proceed with the distance from A to C. And applying the same idea, the x coordinate of point C is 4, minus the x coordinate of point A, -6 squared. And here's something a little bit interesting. The y coordinate of point C, 7, minus the y coordinate of point A, also 7. Oh, that's just going to be 0 squared. So again, speeding through here a little bit, it's going to be 10 squared, or 100, plus 0 squared, 0, equals root 100 is equal to 10. So this length from A to C rather, is 10. And finally, we're going to need the distance from point B to C. And so that's going to be the square root of x coordinate of C, 4, minus the x coordinate of point B, -1 squared, plus the y coordinate of point C minus the x coordinate of point B squared, equals square root 4 minus -1 is 5, 5 squared is 25, plus 7 minus -5 is 12, 12 squared is 144, equals square root of 169 equals 13. And so we recognize that BC is also 13. AB and BC have the same length. AC has a different length, therefore the type of triangle is isosceles.